Verse. Verse? V-E. R. Or S. R. S-P.
Working on a holiday. And he is also working. He is copying our take notes sa message sa church. Serious yan. You want to be pastor? Madili pa. Maybe in the future, no?
17.
Seryoso siya sa buhay. Pinakopya niya yung lecture. Yan po.
Pag-skip tayo. Pwede lang din. Sige, skip mo.
While we are working, recording students' output para mabawasan ang ating backload. Night of holiday while daddy is cooking.
M-E.